Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to apply FX in GarageBand to only one track. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you don't have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can find all the instruments we can get started playing with. You can open up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can apply FX effects and to only one track. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the recording menu of any instrument you have right here. It all works the same. It's going to open up the same menu, but I'm going to open up the audio recorder. And after doing so, now we can see we have the recording menu right here. And the first thing we need to do is go ahead and open up mixing mode right here in the upper left corner. Go ahead and open up edit mode. As you can see, this is now going to open up this mixing mode where we can find all the tracks and instruments that we have. So here are our tracks, guys. And now let's go ahead and take a look at how to use FX for only one track. Basically, what you want to do is go ahead and select the instrument that you want the track to use for. So here is my track that I want to use the FX for. And as you can see, there appears a button at the top of the screen that says FX. Click on FX. And now, guys, we can use the FX for only the track that we have selected. As you can see, click on it, use FX, and now you can manage your audio effects and get everything you need right here. After you're satisfied, just exit out, and that's how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.